Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the hardware requirements for VMware ESXi 8. Before installing ESXi 8, it's important to verify that your server meets VMware's requirements. This will help you avoid installation problems and ensure your virtual machines run smoothly. First, let's talk about the processor. Your CPU must support 64-bit architecture and hardware virtualization. Look for these technologies: Intel VTX, Intel EPT, AMD, VMware VI. The minimum RAM required to install ESXi 8 is 8 GB. However, VMware recommends using 16 GB or more if you plan to run multiple virtual machines. Storage requirements: SSD NVMe SSD. For beginners, a 256 GB SSD is a good starting point. ESXi uses the network to access the web management interface, connect virtual machines, transfer data, access shared storage. Using a 1 gigabit per second Ethernet adapter is the minimum recommendation. Before installing ESXi, enable Intel VTX or amd-v Intel VTD. Enable UEFI boot. These options are usually found in the BIOS or UEFI firmware settings. If you're building a home lab, here's a practical configuration: Intel Core i5 or i7, 32 GB RAM, 500 GB SSD, gigabit Ethernet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more VMware tutorials.